If you are looking for the perfect home for a growing family, you'll want to visit the Hernando. The Hernando has 2,335 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. Upon entering the foyer, you will notice the attention to detail with a tray ceiling and a decorative niche. Off the foyer, you will find 2 guest bedrooms nestled in the front of the home. The split layout of the home offers privacy for the active family. Located between the 2 guest bedrooms at the front of the home, you will find a convenient full-size guest bath. As you walk through the foyer, the Hernando features an elegant formal dining room. Customize this space to suit your needs as a study or as a 4th guest bedroom. With an abundance of kitchen cabinets, this area is one of the highlights of this home. The kitchen features all the amenities that make cooking a breeze, with ample counter space, solid wood cabinets, a center island with a breakfast bar, a pantry, and a casual dining area. The design utilizes space perfectly, tucking the utility room away in between the garage and kitchen. With the kitchen overlooking the great room and lanai area, the space is perfect for entertaining. The Hernando has volume ceilings throughout the main living area that brings a decided upscale flair. The spacious owner's suite is located at the rear of the home for privacy from the 2 other guest bedrooms. The spacious master bath features a vanity and walk-in shower. This plan also offers an optional deluxe bath with dual vanity sinks and a larger enclosed shower. What completes this beautiful home is the expansive covered lanai. Relax at the end of the day while experiencing the natural beauty or enjoying a dip in the pool. The upscale elements of this home, combined with the open flow, makes the Hernando a great choice for your family.